Another way our body reflects our level of stress is in our breath rate and our heart rate. As we become more stressed, generally heart rate increases, as does the breath rate, and we also breathe more shallow when we're stressed or anxious. And sometimes just measuring that and showing you the rate of your breath and heart rate can be enough to help you learn to relax, do some deep breathing, relaxation, and you'll see your heart rate decrease and your breath rate become more deep. We can also measure that with what's called heart rate variability, which puts those two together, and it's been found to be a very key indicator of cardiac or heart health, as well as reduced stress response. The way that works is when we inhale, our heart rate gradually increases or increases just a small amount. When we exhale, it decreases. This is really hard to measure on our own without sophisticated equipment. But training heart rate variability has been found to be very helpful in athletics, other forms of cardiac training, as well as stress reduction. One key component of it, however, is looking at both heart rate and breath rate. A lot of apps and computer programs will measure heart rate variability, but they're only looking at heart rate. So when you're measuring both the heart rate and the breath rate, you're able to see how in sync these two measures are, and you can train that with biofeedback, which has a much more powerful effect. So this is the kind of training we would start in the office and then help people to learn to do on their own outside the office using an app, for example.